So I have had this Sunneday retractable hose reel for an entire summer, and I have a few thoughts that I would like to share with you about it. Let's install this and then we'll come back to it. For the installation of the post, this here, the Sika fence post mix, was the key in making it simple. When you mix the product, it creates a chemical reaction that turns into foam, and in a couple minutes is hard to the touch. Just beware, it costs $16 compared to $7 for fast setting concrete. But I think it's worth it since it's easy to carry, it's set super fast, and if for whatever reason you need to remove it, it will also be easy. Wait, maybe I should water the other side first. Even though the way it's stretched out, all you have to do is just pull it slightly. Oh, didn't grab it. Gosh, I'm so far out. The weight of the hose itself is giving it a hard time, but all you have to do is just walk a little bit and then slowly pulling it back. Was the Sunneday retractable hose reel worth $100? I think it was. It's easy to use, it doesn't get dirty like my regular hose, and the best part, it makes my watering my plants much easier and enjoyable. So far it's holding up great with minor discoloration, so go to Costco and get yours for $99 while the sale lasts. Thanks for watching. And I'm done.